You have probably heard this question countless times since childhood. What do you want to become when you grow up? And most of the time, the answer is either engineer or doctor. But let's be real, just thinking about it won't make you an engineer. Every year, nearly 1.5 million engineer graduates in India, yet only 10% land a job. Why? Because rote learning is still a thing, and real world skills, well, they are barely taught. That's exactly why choosing the right college is super important. But how do you know which one is best? That's the problem we are here to solve. After extensive research on placement records and return on investment, we have curated a list of best engineering colleges across India's top IT hub, starting with Bangalore, India's very own Silicon Valley. So if you are serious about your career, don't miss out on this video. Our first college is Triple IT Bangalore. Triple IT Bangalore is one of the top colleges in Bangalore. Established in 1999, it holds an NIRF ranking of 74. You can get admission here through JEE Mains, followed by their separate counseling process. For computer science, you will need a rank under 9000. Until 2024, Triple IT Bangalore only offered a 5-year integrated MTech program. But now they have introduced BTech program in CSE, data science and AI. The fees are rupees 2.3 lakhs per semester, totaling around rupees 26 lakh for 5-year program, but with a 27.3 LPA median package, which means a great ROI. Okay, so before I talk about college rank number 2, I want to talk about an institute that in few years could compete with IITs and NITs on every level. I'm talking about IntelliPad School of Technology. IST offers cutting-edge AI and computer science training with classes from industry experts at Google, Meta, Microsoft and Apple, along with IIT faculties. Students get a 1.5 years of paid internship from the third year, a minor from an IIT, and opportunity to attend Global Tech Conclave. Admission requires 60% in math in class 10th and 12th, followed by INET entrance exam, which tests aptitude and logical reasoning. After clearing it, candidates go through a personal interview, and if their ambitions align with IST's vision, they get selected. Unlike traditional colleges with basic project, IST focuses on real-world problem-solving skills and helps students build startup-ready products. Campuses are in Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, and Bangalore, with degrees awarded through top partner universities. No other institution is reimagining engineering education like this. IST doesn't just prepare you for a job, it trains you to create, innovate, and compete globally. Check out IST now. I will drop the website link in the description. Now, back to our list of colleges. The next college we have is RV College of Engineering. RVCE was established in 1963. It holds an NIRF ranking of 96 and has a 16.85-acre campus. There are two ways to get admission: KCET for Karnataka students or Comet K for students from other states. If you are aiming for computer science, you need a KCET rank under 600 or a Comet K rank under 450. The fees pattern varies based on the admission gateway, which you can see on the screen right now. RVC has a good placement record with a median salary of around 10 LPA. Then we have PES University, also known as People's Education Society University, was established in 1988. For admission, you need to appear for the PES Scholastic Aptitude Test, which is the university's own entrance exam. If you are from Karnataka, you can also apply through KCET. You can visit their official website for more details on cutoff and criteria. The fee structure varies depending on the entrance test through which you are securing admission, and you can see it on the screen. PES University has a good placement record with median salary of up to 8 LPA. Next, we have BMS College of Engineering. Established in 1946, BMS College of Engineering is India's first private engineering college. There are three ways to get admission here. Karnataka students can apply through KCET, non-Karnataka student can go through Comet K, and there is also management quota for direct admission. For computer science and engineering, you will need a KCET rank within 2100 or a Comet K rank within 1300 to secure admission. The fee structure varies based on admission pathway, which you can see on the screen right now. BMSC provide good placement opportunities with a median package of up to 8.9 LPA. Then we have Ramaiah Institute of Technology. This college was established in 1962 and admission here is primarily through KCET or Comet K. The fee structure varies depending on branch and admission mode, just like in previous colleges. When it comes to placement, MSRIT students have received an average package of 7.66 LPA. Next, we have University of Vishveshwaraya College of Engineering. Now, let's talk about this college, which follows the IIT model. Admission to BTech here is through KCET, since UVCE is government college and its fees are significantly lower compared to private institution. Despite the lower fees, the placement record is impressive with a median package of around 6.5 LPA. Then comes Jain College of Technology and Engineering. Jain University is one of the top university in Bangalore. If you want to get admission here, there are multiple options. You can apply through JET, Jain University's own entrance exam, Comet K, JEE Main, KCET, or even through direct admissions. For detail on cutoffs and admission criteria, you can visit their website. Next, we have Christ University. Christ University is just not well known in Bangalore but across India. Admission to any of its campuses require clearing the CUET Christ University entrance test. For BTech in Computer Science, the fee structure is displayed on your screen. Talking about placement, the highest package offered at Christ University has gone up to 20 LPA, while the median package stands at 5.16 LPA. Next, we have Nitya Meenakshi Institute of Technology. Admission to BTech CSE program requires clearing KCET, Comet K, UGT, or NMIT's own entrance test. You can check their website for specific cutoff details. As for fees, completing the full engineering degree here costs around 14 lakh. Finally, the last college on our list is CMR Institute of Technology. The total fee for BTech program here is approximately 11 lakh. In terms of placement, CMRIT students receive an average package of around 5.98 LPA. With this, we wrap up our list of top 10 engineering colleges in Bangalore. I hope this video gave you a clear idea of which college might be the best fit for you. So start preparing and get ready for your tech career. And do not forget to check out the IST's official website. The link is given in the description. Thank you and see you in the next video.